Whenever we use a product or a website or an app, in our minds, we try to create a set of actions. First, I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do this. And all these actions are based on our perception, what we are perceiving, how we are perceiving that app or result of our actions. So all our actions, they are going to be based on perception, which is also called mental models, and our goals, what we want to accomplish in the end. We will talk about mental models later. So let's see what are those 7 stages of actions. These 7 stages of actions were also proposed by Don Norman. Let's see what are those 7 steps. Number 1 is what and why do I want to accomplish. First is our goals and triggers. What is triggering to accomplish this goal? Second one is what are the alternative action sequences. Can I achieve the same goal with doing something else or with another sequence of actions? By pressing this button and going to this URL and maybe copying and pasting everything, can I create a Google document like that? So this is the sequence of actions. Every user have different sequence of actions. They might use some other sequence to accomplish the same goal. Then you will think that what actions can I do now? Can I press this button? Is it activated or is it disabled? Then the next step is how do I do it? How I am going to click on this button using my keyboard or using my mouse or tapping on it. Then the next step is feedback. What happened? The app need to tell you what happened when you clicked or when you did this action. Then the next step is you are going to perceive that feedback from what happened. So for example, you are using a microwave oven and when you pressed start, it doesn't start and it gave some error. You need to understand what that error means. What does it mean? What happened? And then in the end, is it okay? Have I accomplished my goal? In the end, you are going to see whether you have created a Google document, new document successfully, or you have heated your milk in the microwave oven. So these are 7 stages of actions. If you can master these, you can apply them on any app, any website, any product. Let's elaborate the 7 stages of actions with a screen of Gmail app. Now this is my screenshot of my iPhone Gmail app. Now you can see my trigger and goal is to delete emails. Now my trigger was get rid of unnecessary email. That was my main urge to delete emails. I don't want unnecessary emails. So my goal was I want to delete emails. Now I am on this screen and you can see how many possible alternative action sequences are. I can long press on one email to select it, or I can alternatively press on the left circle side, okay, and select multiple emails, or maybe I can select just one email. So there are 2 possible ways to select the emails. Either I can tap in the circle or I can long press on the email. Next was, can I press delete? What actions can I do now? Is the delete icon is enabled or disabled right now? I cannot tell that this is enabled or disabled because most of my emails, they are highlighted in black color. So highlighted or enabled are basically in black color, but the top icons are in gray. Now the next is I took the action, I pressed the delete button, which is how to do it. I am going to press the delete button. Then the next message I am going to see on the screen will be a yellow notification bar that do you want to undo, the messages has been deleted. This is what happened. I need to perceive it, I need to translate it, whether I am able to understand the message. This is the next step, what this in notification means. So I just comprehend that I have successfully completed. So notification was you have deleted the emails, and do you want to recover them? Do you want to undo your action? And in the end, my goal was accomplished. I have deleted all my emails I want to. So this 7 stages of action, you can apply it on any mobile screen, any app, any product, anything you are designing or developing. I hope you have understood the 7 stages of actions. Let's move on to the next lesson.